everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. India adds 3.23 lakh new COVID-19 cases in a single day. That toll near 2 lakh. The government said that state and UTS must implement an intensive local and focused containment framework to break the chain of transmission, with 3,23,144 people testing positive for the coronavirus in a day. India's infection tally has climbed to 1,76,336,307, while the national recovery rate future and further dropped to 82.54%. According to the Union Health Minister data updated on Tuesday, the death toll mounted to 1,97 lakh 1,894, with the 277 new fatalities. The data updated at 8 a.m. showed there has been a slight dip in the daily cases as compared to the number of infections reported in the past few days. The active cases count has increased to 28,82,204, comprising 16.34% of total infection, while the national COVID-19 recovery has further dropped at 82.54% at 82.62% reported on Monday. The center has asked all the state and union terrorist UTS to take strict measures at the local level to snap the chain of coronavirus infection. In the communication to all state and UTS, the government said that they must implement as intensive local and focused containment framework considering the unprecedented spike. Several states have already started imposing strike restriction, with the Karnataka announcing a 14-day shutdown. Delhi and Jharkhand have already announced such restriction, and several other states are ensuring strict implementation of night curfew and lockdown like restriction. India ADDs 3.23 lakh new COVID case in a single day, death toll near 2 lakh. The government said that state and UTS must implement an intensive local and focused containment framework to break the chain transmission. Novel coronavirus COVID-19 prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Wash your hand regularly. Use sanitizer. Avoid contact with others. Wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1-800-258-7060. According to Vikas Prasad, Fourth Oxygen Express of Southeastern Railway took 6 tankers of liquid medical oxygen from Bracco Steel City to Bhopal, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh on Tuesday morning. Liquid oxygen in this tanker was admitted to the Bokaro Steel Plant. Green grinder has been arranged on the Ranchi, Rourkela, Raurkela, Thausuda route from the Southeastern Railway system for speedy movement of this Oxygen Express train on April 23, 25 and 26. 3 Oxygen Express trains were diverted from the Bokaro Steel City. to Lucknow and Uttar Pradesh by the South Eastern Railway, including the fourth oxygen train sent by the South Eastern Railway. A total of 234 liquid medical oxygen has been sent from Bokaro Steel City to Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The rack reached Bokaro Steel City on Tuesday morning, carrying an empty tanker from Lucknow to fill up with the liquid medical oxygen. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. The scorching heat of summer has created a wear crisis in Purulia district. This time, Birsi Gram Panchayat has taken a special initiative to get rid of the problem. Solar pumps have been installed in many villages. Plants are afoot to the install in the several other places. According to the Birsi Gram Panchayat sources, solar pump have been installed in a various area of Birsi Gram Panchayat to meet the drinking water problem. Originally, it was designed to meet the water needs of the common people in the Birsi area. A villager who did not want to name said that he was getting 24 hours drinking water without any electricity charges. Many thanks to Birsi Gram Panchayat for this. Santodia, according to Vikas Prasad Vinay Ranjan, Director Person, ECL has been selected for the post of Director Person and Industrial Relation, Coal India by the Public Enterprise Selection Board, Department of Person and Training, Government of India. According to the company sources, there were a total of 8 candidates in the race for post of Director Person and Industrial Relation of Coal India. Among them are Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Director Person WCL, Vinay Ranjan, Director Person ECL, SS Vemukunda, General Manager WCL. The turnout in West Bardhaman district was much lower than in 2016. The final figures were released by the Election Commission on Tuesday. After polling ended on Monday, the total turnout in the district was 72.3%. The highest turnout was 76.47% in Pandeshwar. The lowest was 69.14% in Kulti and 69.21% in Asansol North, 70.36% in Asansol South and 72.85% in Barabani. The turnout was 72.6% in Durgapur West, 74.48% in Durgapur East, 74.84% in Jamuria, and 72.18% in Raniganj. It is noteworthy that in 2016, 77% voting took place in the district. Now, the effect of low turnout on the election result will be known only on May 2. Raniganj, according to Rohit Mohankar, according to him, Asit Kumar De, 34 years old, a resident of Kumar Bazar, died on the spot when the dome of a two-story building in front of the public library at Tikal Road under Raniganj police station broke and fell on his head. He was an LIC agent by profession in the contents landlord garage said that the lower part of the house has been rented from 20 years but it has been rent out. Another person candidate has died on a coronavirus in the midst of assembly election in the West Bengal. It is being reported that the independent candidate from Vishwabhar Nagar in Malda died late Monday night due to corona. Earlier in the Bengal election, three candidates have died from corona. Independent candidate Samir Ghosh from Vishwanagar in Malda died of coronavirus late at night. He had recently tested positive for corona, after which he was admitted to the hospital and declared dead. On the hand, corona is making a fuse in a country. Meanwhile, the election commission is conducting election voting in Bengal. Another phase of Bengal Chani is still pending. Then the votes will be counted. The record of corona infection in the Bengal is becoming daily. Regarding this, the role of the election commission is being questioned. The Calcutta High Court and Madras High Court slammed the election commission. After this, now the commission banned the victory profession and procession after the vote. Anuvarta Mandal, president of Birbhum district Trinamool Congress, has been detained by the election commission just before the 8th phase of last round of voting in the state. Voting is scheduled for April 29 in Birbhum district and the campaign detail and deadline has also expired. The Election Commission informed and that the tall Trinamool Congress leader Anubharat Mandal of Birbhum district will be kept in the custody from 5 p.m. on Tuesday to 7 a.m. on April 30. Part of building collapsed in Asansol Bastin Bazar on Tuesday evening. A part of the multi-storied building in Bharatiya Bazar, Bartan Bazar area under the Asansol South police station suddenly collapsed, causing chaos in entire market. There should and could have been an accident. There is a branch of Punjab National Bank in multi-storied building and there are many business establishments below. This area is crowded all the time. There is an atmosphere of terror among the people due to the collapse of the part of the dilapidated building. In Asansol, according to Wasim Khan, Gopal Modi, a businessman and a social worker from Asansol, passed away on Tuesday morning. Modi of Asansol was the owner of Lab. There is a wave of mourning among the businessmen and social people of Silpanchal over this untimely death. Businessmen and people from various social institutes pray to God for peace of their soul and happiness and peace to remain in their homes in this hour of sorrow. A meeting of lawyers was held on Tuesday in the auditorium of Asansol District Bar Association in the week of coronavirus pandemic. It was decided by the mutual consent in the meeting. The work of lawyer in Asansol District Court will continue till May 5. On the other hand, meeting again on May 5, considering the situation, further strategy will be prepared on the said matter. Durgapur, according to Rohit Mahankar, according to him, voting in the demonstrated right of a citizen, no opportunity to vote even if you apply by postal ballot and ballot. Found finally. The health worker of Durgapur Municipal Corporation today staged a protest in front of Durgapur Municipal Corporation demanding voting. During this demonstration, the person asked the question, do we have to deprive of our franchisee due to duty? The protesting health workers said this. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world because even your shadow leaves you when you are in darkness.